You stare blankly at your overflowing inbox, a mountain of tasks making you so tired, you just don't see the purpose of continuing this never-ending list of tasks. Or maybe you are having health problems and you don't see to the end of it. Your medical report sounds bad and you are losing hope. Maybe you never seem to have enough money to pay your bills, you work day and night, but still you can't make ends meet. Or your child is on a bad path and the situation is only getting worse. This is making your life like a living hell, and you want nothing more than to get out of it. You start to think that there has to be something that can change your situation. And the answer to that is that you don't have to live like this, unhappy and about to give up or always waiting for things to change. What if there is a key to unlocking your dream career, a life brimming with purpose and happiness? What if the power to change this is hidden? But not in the hands of external forces like your boss or your family, but within the extraordinary potential of your own mind. Join me on a journey to unveil this hidden power, and let's transform these hard times with the vibrant reality you so much deserve. To help you to supercharge your success, here is a step-by-step guide to manifest your dreams. By following it, you can manifest anything you desire. Don't hesitate, you can do this. Continue listening and something awesome will be waiting for you. Your time has finally come to turn things around. Step 1. Waking up your dreams. With your eyes closed, take a slow, deep breath. Feel the tension ease from your shoulders as you exhale. Now, imagine a future version of yourself thriving. See yourself happy and smiling. Just allow your mind to flow, relax into it, and see what comes. Don't push, but stay focused internally, looking into your mind and connecting with your happy self. In a job that ignites your passion, a role that makes you feel valued and excited to get out of bed each morning. Picture the satisfaction of finally mastering that skill you've been working on, or the joy of spending quality time with loved ones. See yourself healthy, full of energy and well-being. See yourself in any situation you would love to be in right now. What are your deepest and strongest desires? Relax and let it come to you. There is something hidden inside that you keep burying but want to come out. See it, feel it. Let the positive emotions wash over you. The confidence, the contentment, the pure happiness. Now grab your phone, a notebook, or just anything that you can use to remember your vision for the future. Don't let this vision fade. Write down your dreams, your goals with as much detail as possible. What does your ideal day look like? Who are the people surrounding you? How do you see yourself? Feel the happy feeling it gives you to be in that place right now. Be specific. These aren't just random wishes, these are the building blocks of your future. What you are doing isn't just some imagination, it's creating your reality. This is about harnessing the power of your mind and using it to change your life to something better. This is about getting clear on your desires and visualizing them vividly, and doing that, you plant a seed of intention in your subconscious. It becomes your guiding star, helping you make choices and take action that move you closer to your dreams. Step 2. Let's cultivate an abundance mindset in 3 easy steps, inspired by the wisdom of Neville Goddard and the law of attraction. Cultivating an abundance mindset. 1. Shift your focus from lack to possibility. Forget scarcity mode. The universe is a bursting treasure chest, and you hold the key. Neville Goddard emphasized the power of our assumptions. When you fixate on what's missing, you vibrate at a frequency of lack. This, according to the law of attraction, attracts more of the same. It's like the universe saying, here's more of what you're focused on, not having things. Instead, as Neville suggested, shift your focus to overflowing possibilities. Imagine a life brimming with abundance, not limitations. What does your ideal life look like? Feel the excitement of achieving your goals and the joy of having everything you desire. 2. Embrace gratitude, a powerful signal. Gratitude isn't just a nice feeling, it's a potent attractor in the law of attraction. Neville told us to appreciate what we have, and it would grow in magnitude. Take a moment each day to acknowledge the good already present in your life, big or small. Maybe you nailed a presentation, or you aced that test, or did you maybe wake up to a beautiful sunrise? Let these moments ignite a spark of appreciation. By expressing gratitude, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. Thank you for the good things, and I'm open to receiving even more. This aligns your vibration with abundance and opens you up to receiving. 3. Visualization. A living in the end. Now, with your heart brimming with gratitude, close your eyes and embark on a powerful visualization journey, a technique Neville called living in the end. Paint a vivid picture with your mind's eye. See yourself already living your ideal life, bathed in the abundance you deserve. Don't just see the dream job, feel the exhilarating rush of accomplishment. Don't just see the exotic vacation. Feel the warm sand beneath your feet and the salty spray on your face. Immerse yourself in the emotions. The joy, the love, the pure, unadulterated bliss of living a life that ignites your soul. This isn't just about daydreaming, it's about harnessing the power of positive energy. By vividly picturing yourself surrounded by abundance, you're sending a beacon out to the universe. It's a lighthouse guiding ships home, a cosmic magnet drawing your dreams closer with every visualization. The universe responds to your energy, and by picturing yourself overflowing with the good stuff, you're putting out a cosmic welcome sign for all the amazing things you deserve. Neville talks about that the world is a reflection of your imagination and your greater assumption. So if you change your assumption about yourself, then you will change your world. So, cultivate an abundance mindset, embrace gratitude, and unleash the power of visualization. You are the architect of your reality, and the universe is waiting to deliver the abundance you deserve. Step 3. Trust and persistence. Manifestation is like a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you will have doubts about what you're doing, and you are about to give up. The most important thing you can do then is to have trust in the universe, trust the process, and most importantly, have trust in yourself. Sure, you might not see instant results, but that doesn't mean your efforts are in vain. Celebrate every small win, whatever it is that has changed for the better. The courage to finally pursue your passion, or simply waking up feeling inspired. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory on your path. Persistence is your compass. Keep your vision clear and enhance every little happy emotion that you feel. Intentionally think about everything good around you. Good memories and everything that helps you to feel good. Keep your intention clear to focus on the life that you want. Don't the life that you don't want. And take consistent action. Like a sculptor chipping away at a masterpiece, you're shaping your reality one step at a time. And then, as you persist, a beautiful truth unfolds. The universe conspires in your favor. Your dreams, once distant whispers, begin to take shape, and the magic you've been cultivating blossoms into a reality far more incredible. But listen carefully. You've got to hold fast to it, keep the faith, and witness the transformation unfold. Now is the time to take action. Tonight, before you sleep, pick one small action you can take tomorrow that aligns with your vision. Maybe it's researching a course, connecting with someone in your desired field, or simply clearing out a space for your dream life to begin. This small action becomes the seed you plant. According to Neville Goddard, by changing our assumptions and aligning ourselves with our desires in the present moment, we can shape our future. The power to change your life is already within you. Now go out there and use it. Thank you for listening to the Dream Forge Nexus channel. See you on our next adventure.